Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Elliot and I'm going to be bringing to you today a bit of a fix-it video, sort of how-to-ish. Basically, I'll show you right now the lights on my BMW M2 2017. It shares the same components with the F22 2 Series as well, LCI. The automatic headlights are not turning off. So in the daytime, like right now, I can't turn the lights off. I also cannot dim the dashboard backlight either. So what I've done is I've bought, I say it's new, a used light switch unit off of eBay. I think it was 49 quid. And I'm going to pray that it fixes the problem. And if so, it's been a relatively informative video for you if you come across the same issue. So let's go. So that should be changing the backlight here, but it's not. Okay, so to take this out, you need a trim removal tool to get around this section here. I'm going to try and pull this out, disconnect it, and see if it fixes it. Only need a small one. What can I try? A bit too thick. Pointy. That one could work quite well, I think. Take those with me. First of all, ignition's off. I'm going to try and, so there's clips in each corner. Okay, and then you disconnect it with this little connector here. This is the new one, let's try this. Right, easy as that in theory. So, okay, that's a good sign. The lights aren't on. Okay, so ignition's on. Headlights are on auto and the headlight icon is not on, whereas before it was. Can I adjust my backlight? Maybe I have to turn the engine on for that. Well, that works. Before it wasn't doing that at all. That's a good sign. Yeah, that all works still. You never know. But the good news is that in off mode, my headlights aren't on. Brilliant. I'm really pleased about that. I thought I'd film it on the off chance. I'd film that on the off chance purely because when I was searching up this issue on forums and on YouTube, there was no videos anywhere about it. It is a little strange that it's gone out on a 3-year-old car, but it's cars, these things happen. So I'm really hoping that that video might help, even if it's one person, great. So get yourself a new light switch if you're having problems like that, and that's how you do it. Take care guys, see you on the next video.